friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I restore my grimy black grout back to its original gray color. Tile grout can become a huge eyesore over time, and it becomes very difficult to clean once it's built up. I'm going to use borax to try and return this black grout back to its original gray color. Borax is an inexpensive way to clean your grout. I'll just make a paste using warm water and a scrubber. If the paste becomes thick, just add a few tablespoons of water and it will return to its original state. But first you want to clean your floor. I like using my electric mop. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. When I'm finished with the floor, the pads are easily removed and thrown into the washing machine. But before I used the borax, I had the bright idea to use a grout pen. I would say the grout pen worked okay. It was easy to wipe off when you made a mistake, but the tip kept falling out and off, which was very annoying. When I finished, it ended up looking like a painted on mess. I put on my handy dandy gloves to protect my hands while cleaning. Use a spoon to put the borax in between the cracks like this. And there you have it. Guys, if you are still here, I love you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The dirt lifts up almost immediately. If I was thinking, I would have used a drill attachment, but this way wasn't so bad. I used the electric mop to clean up the mess, and voila! As you can see, this is the after shot. The grout has been restored back to its original color, which is gray, and you can definitely tell the difference.